All right, you guys, welcome back. So let's do a few practice problems of raising powers to a power. And I'm just going to work right here within Delta Math, and I'll use Desmos to help for some of you to visually see the multiplication problem that I'm doing. Okay. All right. So if you remember here in this exponent rule, I multiply my exponents, okay? Now, you have to understand that 5 has its own exponent, okay? And it has an exponent of 1. So that means I got to do 5 to the 1 times 3. All right, well, 1 times 3 is 3, so I need to do 5 to the third power. All right, so I get 125. So I'm going to type that in. All right, now I'm going to move on to x. Well, I've got 4, okay, and I got to raise that to the third power. So I have to do 4 times 3, so that's 12. So x to the 12. I'll make sure I type that in. So I did 4 times 3. All right, now I've got y. So I'm going to go back here. I got y. Now I'm going to multiply 3 times 3. So I'm going to go over here. So I got y to the 9th. Okay. All right. So that's how you have to complete these problems. You have to break them into chunks. Okay. And you just break them into manageable chunks. It's so easy. All right. So again, 5 to the 1 times 3. Well, that's 5 to the third. So that's what I typed in. Then I multiplied my exponents for the x. This right here, if you're looking on the left on the screen, that was for the variable x. This is for the variable y. I'm going to submit my answer. Yes. Got the answer. All right, and then you've got another detailed explanation here from Delta Math. All right, so let's try another one. Okay, all right, so I'm going to skip that one. Oh, there we go. Okay, so negative 3 x to the fourth y squared parentheses to the second power. All right, so that means I got to start with negative 3. All right, so negative 3. Okay, and look right there. I've already made a mistake. Okay, that negative 3 was in parentheses. So let me go back. Parentheses, negative 3. Okay, all right, the exponent here is a 1. So now I'm going to multiply. Let's see here if I can write on my screen. There it is. Hide. Pencil. Okay, so right here, this 1 right here, I'm multiplying that 1 times 2. All right, so that's why I'm putting a 2 in my exponent. Okay, so that gives me 9. So now here, I'm going to type in 9. All right, now I'm going to multiply the exponents on the x. All right, so I'm going to take this, let me change the color here. Now I'm going to take 2 times 4. All right, so let's go over here. 4 times 2 or 2 times 4, doesn't matter. Okay. Oops. Get that little ladybug off the screen. Click. So x exponent 4 times 2, that's 8. All right, now I'm at the y's. Okay, and without drawing on the picture, I think you're getting the idea. I'm going to multiply the exponents 2 times 2. All right, so y to the fourth. Submit my answer. Yes, there we go. All right. Oh, it erased. Awesome. All right, new problem. All right, yeah, let's erase that. Okay. All right, so now I've got 2x to the fifth y squared parentheses to the third power. All right, so that's 2 to the third. So let's type that in first. So 2 exponent 3, so that's 8. All right, now I'm going to do the x's. So I do 5 times 3, 15. So I go back over here, and in the exponent, I'm going to type 15. Y, all right, and I'm going to do 2 times 3. Now, I know some of you, you're like, why is she typing this in? Okay, it's just more for a visual reference for some of you. Okay, 6. Okay, submit my answer. Yes, there we go. Okay, all right, so that's all you're going to do. Okay, that's how you raise power to a power. Okay, the key here is to remember that when you have a problem like this, you are multiplying the exponents. Okay, so now you've got to kind of wrap your brain around it. You've got adding exponents and you've got multiplying exponents. We're going to bring that together tomorrow and talk about when and in what order do you multiply your exponents and add your exponents. All right, good luck, you guys. You know how to contact me.